Hi everyone, welcome to Real Auto Reviews. My name is Shiraz and this is the 2021 Suzuki Hayabusa, and I'm going to show you how the hill hold control on this one works. Keep your eyes on the gear position indicator, as just next to it at 2 o'clock the hill hold control icon would appear as soon as I apply the brakes. There you go. Do you see that? The letter H in a circle. So the bike is still in gear. I've pressed the clutch and now I'll release the brake, and voila, it works. It would hold the bike for 30 seconds. After that it would disengage automatically, and as you can see, if you have to disengage it manually, you have to press on the brake lever twice in succession quickly, or of course you can apply throttle while releasing the clutch.